Looking for a healthy dinner that feels satisfying, colorful, and full of flavor? This chicken and veggie bowl is loaded with tender protein, plenty of fresh vegetables, and a light cauliflower rice base that brings everything together beautifully. We're keeping the ingredients simple today. Chicken breast, cauliflower rice, broccoli, colorful bell peppers, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, garlic, lemon, fresh herbs, olive oil, and a few everyday seasonings for plenty of flavor. First, drizzle a little olive oil over the chicken. Then add paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and dried herbs. Turn each piece until the seasoning coats every side, creating a flavorful layer before it hits the hot pan. Now place the seasoned chicken into the skillet and let it cook without rushing. Listen to that gentle sizzle as the surface develops a deep golden crust. Then turn each piece carefully so both sides cook evenly. Once the chicken is cooked through, let it rest briefly so the juices stay inside. Then slice it into tender strips, revealing that juicy, perfectly cooked center. Those golden edges will add so much flavor to the finished bowl. Next, prepare the vegetables. Slice the bell peppers into thin strips, then cut the zucchini into even bite-sized pieces. Keep the cuts simple and consistent so everything cooks evenly and gives the finished bowl a beautiful mix of colors and textures. Add the broccoli, peppers, zucchini, and garlic to a hot skillet, then gently stir everything together. Cook just until the vegetables are tender crisp, keeping their bright color and a little bite, instead of cooking them until soft. For the base, add the cauliflower rice to the skillet with garlic, herbs, salt, and black pepper. Stir it gently as it cooks, allowing the seasonings to spread through every grain-like piece until the cauliflower is fluffy, fragrant, and lightly tender. For a fresh finishing touch, have the cherry tomatoes. Cut the lemon into wedges, and finely chop the herbs. These simple ingredients will brighten the bowl at the end and add a fresh contrast to the warm, savory chicken and vegetables. Now it's time to build the bowl. Start with a generous layer of fluffy cauliflower rice, then add the colorful sautéed vegetables. Arrange the juicy sliced chicken right on top, creating a big, balanced bowl that looks as good as it tastes. Finish with the fresh cherry tomatoes, then squeeze a little lemon over the warm chicken and vegetables. Sprinkle the chopped herbs across the top, adding a final burst of freshness and bringing all those beautiful colors together. And there it is, tender chicken, fluffy cauliflower rice, and plenty of colorful vegetables in every bite. It's fresh, flavorful, and satisfying without feeling heavy. Save this recipe for later and subscribe to Quick Bite Lab for more simple, delicious recipes.